Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 most important things that an architect should have. And guys, these things are, worth investing your money on because these things will save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of stress. So guys, this whole video is based on my personal experience. And guys, for the people who are here on my channel for the first time, my name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession. I keep making such videos on regular basis, so feel free to check out my other playlist also. And guys, without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first and the most important thing that we should invest our money on is a good laptop or a good PC. Because guys, see, the thing is that these things are like our weapons. We can't fight a war without weapons. And this thing, particularly a laptop or a computer, is essential, a most basic weapon, in which we can do our render, we can do our CAD drawings, we can do presentations, we can do editing. So these all things are very important. And guys, I must say, like, if you are investing a lakh on a laptop, so mark my word, in a year or two, the whole money that you have invested on a laptop, if you are working right, you will get the money back. You can work on a good laptop and you can gain money from it. It's that simple. Other than, outsourcing your work, outsourcing renderings, do it yourself. Do it on your own PC, on your own laptop. This particular PC that you can see behind me, I actually set it up around 3 to 4 years ago. It costed me a lakh. But guys, I'm telling you, it has given me more than 3 times what I've invested on this. So just by my experience, go get a good PC, good configuration PC, or a good configuration laptop. This is the most essential thing an architect at this age, at this generation should have. And now coming to the point number 2, you should have a good measuring equipment. I'm not talking about the old measuring tapes. So measuring tapes are obsolete right now because when you go mostly on sites or anywhere, you have to measure the heights, you have to measure corners, you have to measure many other things, you have to even measure angles. Sometimes that is very tricky to do. So get a laser measuring tool. A company named Bosch, you might be knowing about it. It gives an excellent laser measuring tool which will cost you around 4,000 bucks, but every penny that you spend on it is worth it. Because guys, I have been using that laser measuring tool for a long time, and I must say it is damn simple to use. You will get different units. You just have to place it on a surface and then click. The laser hits the other point and you get the measurement. It's that simple, guys. And you even get measurements into different units like centimeters, meters, feet, inches, whatever you want. You can just convert it on that machine itself. And this is just available in like 4K. If you go in some other brand, it will be a bit cheaper, but I would suggest go for Bosch. It's one of the best, and it will change how you measure things. Now, point number 3. It's a very basic thing, but you should have a printer too. Printer is a life savior, guys. It's a life savior. You should have a good quality color printer at your home from which you can get good A3 to A4 printouts and of good quality. Because many of the times, you can't show all your presentations, all your drawings on your laptop. It's very not professional. So what you should do is get a printer, a good quality printer. Just print your drawings and everything and then present it to the client. Because many of the time on site, what happens is like, we do alterations, we do changes, and on paper, like many of the clients do prefer like looking something on paper. So yeah, invest on a good quality printer, scanner. It will actually help you a lot You don't have to run to the printing stations or printing stationery stores or something like that. It's a blessing, I must say. And now coming to point number 4. So guys, this is a very personal thing, but I would say go ahead, invest in a good phone or a good tablet. I know many of you would be saying like, you know, अरे हाँ फ़ोन तो सबके पास होता है, टैबलेट कौन खरीदेगा जाके. But guys, tablet, I want to buy a tablet. I'm still saving for it. But a good tablet, if you are capable enough, if you have that kind of financial spending capacity, go ahead and buy a tablet. You will not regret it. And buy a tablet which has a integrated pen in it, like Apple iPad Pro or Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus. So these tablets are one of the best available in the market, and they will change your life. They will change how you sketch. They will change how you present things. They will change how you present things to your client. And guys, I must say, you know, when you take your good quality tablet in front of your client and you show your designs, you show your renderings, you show your walkthrough, it actually marks a good impression. A phone is a thing that you should have, and a good quality camera in that phone is a must-have thing. Because just imagine, I have bought this particular phone in which I am shooting. So I have shot all my videos on this phone till now. So this phone was bought 3 years ago. This is a OnePlus phone. I'm not branding OnePlus. So guys, go ahead, invest in a good phone, or if you're capable enough, or if you have good financial, you know, backup, go ahead, buy a tablet. It's my experience. It's not a money wasted, it's a money invested. So guys, now talking about point number 5, that is have a good working desk. Good working desk is something that, you know, you should get it made it custom to your body size, to your height, to your likability. So get a custom table made. Don't go out and, you know, buy whatever is available out there in market, or buy something that has an adjustable height or adjustable body or something like that. Because a work desk will decide how long you can work and how efficiently you can work. I'm not even kidding, guys. I'm telling you, a good chair and a good desk will change the entire perspective of, you know, productivity for you. Because I have suffered a lot of backache issue. I was not able to work for more than 2-3 hours at a stretch. But after I have made a good table for myself, I've bought a good chair, a lot has changed. I work straight for like 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. I have even worked straight for 10 hours. I sit here, I eat here, and I work here. So guys, I must tell you, invest into a good working desk, invest into a good chair. These things that I'm telling you right now is purely based on experience. So take something out of this experience and buy these things. I'm not branding any company, any brand or anything. I'm just telling you the truth. Go ahead, buy whatever brand you want, but buy these things. These things are investment. These things are not expenses. You invest something and you will get something out of it. And I'm damn sure you will get a lot out of it. And finally, before ending this video, guys, I would like to thank all of you, all of you, like whoever even watched my video just once, for supporting this channel, to subscribing to this channel. And today we are 7,000 strong, and that means a lot. That means that, you know, what I'm talking about right now makes sense. What I'm talking about right now helps you. So guys, thanks a lot again, and do mention your queries in the comment section, or do mention what else you think that are very important for an architect to have, and I will definitely pin your comment so that, you know, others also can know, like, okay, these things are very important to have for an architect. It was really nice to have all your support and all your love that you have given me and this channel and this community, guys. It's all you. So thanks a lot again, and guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.